There's no space to load. It's a very small bulk.
They reject my bicycle. They say it's a small flight, but I already paid extra luggage. I left the box here. And did you guys throw away? Can you ask someone who throw the bicycle box here? This what happened on my bicycle. Yeah. Model. Thank you. See you. Alright, today I'm leaving Fiji. Going to new country. Hopefully there's no any problem. But first of all, I need to wrap this bicycle box. It's a very bad situation. Port Villa 11:25. Good. How are you? Can you do this safely? Oh,
Sorry.
yeah.
We can't do it in the machine. See, it's too big.
Okay. Sorry. I don't feel good because this box is so weak. This is. I need to get the tape and do it again. I'll ask the tape at the counter. Hello? I was just asking tape to make it strong, but even now you say you can't take. No, but I already paid for the extra luggage.
There's no space to load. It's a very small bulk.
How about this?
It's not the same thing. It's two different sizes. Look at the height. Look at the width of this item. It's not the same thing. That is so much smaller than this.
You guys didn't say that no bicycle at the website, so it's not my
The
fault.
Fiji staff will be here soon. You can talk to them
Yeah.
regarding this.
Okay.
If they approve it, they try to make a way around this, then that's fine. Otherwise, you can't.
They reject my bicycle. They say it's a small flight, but I already paid extra luggage. First time to be rejected bicycle. I'm not welcome. No, I'm welcome, but you're not welcome. It's very challenging to come to South Pacific Islands with a bicycle. For sure. No bicycle shop, no bicycle box. Even they reject to take my bicycle into airplane. Do I have to think plan B? I got so stressed out, so I just came here to relax. Let's see, they say no, and should I fight the back or don't go to Vanuatu? Or coming back tomorrow, leaving bicycle here? No, I don't want to leave my bicycle here. If they say no, I am back. Okay, my bicycle is permitted. Yes, I borrowed the tape from the store. Said everything is done. I'm leaving. Wow, look at the flight size. This is the smallest flight I ever taken. This is my bicycle.
Oh, this is your bike?
Yeah, it was alright.
Yeah, it's alright.
Thank you, Naka. See you. Bye. Welcome to Vanuatu. I thought the here is cooler than Fiji, but still it's warm. Alright, a new country. It's the way up. I just saved my box and everything's alright. Oh no way, look at that. So this part needs to fix.
GB is 3,000.
Oh, it's a bit pricey. How is everything? Vanuatu. Thank you.
Have you ever been to Vanuatu?
It's my first time.
Oh, the first time.
I'm very
You'll
excited.
love it. You'll love it.
Yeah?
Yeah. See you.
Oh,
Thank you too much.
thank you too much.
Sorry too much. It's just the same.
Sorry too much. Thank you too much. I love to learn the cultures.
Yeah.
I love to meet you guys.
Oh, you love Vanuatu. You love Vanuatu.
I heard that Vanuatu kava is really good.
Yes, very good. Strong.
Yeah.
Good.
Do you drink?
Yes, I drink kava. Have you ever tasted kava?
Oh, it's easy.
Oh, in Fiji, but for Vanuatu is very strong.
Yeah, Fijians say that Vanuatu kava is really good.
Yes, very good. Thank you too much.
Thank you too much. Hello. Motel? How much is that? Yeah. Thank you too much. You guys are driving different way than Fiji?
Yes.
It's the opposite, from
Opposite.
Fiji.
Yes.
Oh la la. Because it will make me so confused. So you guys just opened the border, isn't it?
Yes.
You feel that it's getting a bit busier?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Look at.
Welcome to Vanuatu, and I just get the room like this. I like this. So this place is $100 for 3 nights, but the problem is, she said there's a nightclub working until 3 a.m. My bicycle is at the airport, biosecurity, because you need a gas. So my bicycle will get very high tonight. And we have a tour soon. First of all, I need a rest because it's quite tired. And I will have a tour around the town. This is the capital of Vanuatu. And also I'll check the market. And I love to talk to the people. And let's see how it will go. Let's see what I get, what I learn in Vanuatu. So stay tuned, see you on next video.